You in the past, I'm in the future. You mad?
Hey you guys, so welcome to another random weekend vlog. If you're new here, my name is Kela Trishaan and I make videos on lifestyle, womanhood, and mental health. And if you are returning, thank you so much for coming back and thank you for your support. So this is a rare sighting of me in the car because it's quarantine and I haven't been going nowhere. But this weekend we have a few errands to run, so I'll take you guys along for some of that. We're gonna go to Trader Joe's. I don't know how much footage I can get there because they don't always want you filming inside. And yeah, I'm making dinner. I'm gonna make some smothered chicken and mashed potatoes, so I'll show y'all that. But yeah, go on ahead and just join me for a random Sunday. If you're interested, go on ahead and stay tuned. Guys, so we just got back in from our errands. I'm sorry I didn't vlog a lot of it, but it's too much going on out there. It was like super packed and trying like not to touch stuff with my mask. So yeah, but anyway, let me show y'all what I got. All right, so we got some organic broccolini. I don't eat broccolini, I just like regular broccoli, but my husband likes it and that's what he's gonna have with his dinner tonight. We got some sardines here. He likes to eat those. I prefer the smoked oysters, so I got myself some of those. I like to eat that with hot sauce. I think I mentioned that before. Ooh, over here dropping stuff, good Lord. Got some of this organic olive oil spray. I like to use this to just like spray the pan so things don't stick. We got some mint. I want to make some detox water, or like some, you know, nice pretty water or whatever. So got some organic mint to put in there. I got 2 of these onion salts. I really like the flavor, and so I like to stock up when I go. Got some smoked paprika. We got this face wash with tea tree oil that I really like. It gets your face really clean but doesn't strip all the oils, I feel. So I really like to get that. And we got 2 bottles of these multivitamins. Me and my husband both take these and they give you a lot of energy throughout the day. So I got 2 of those. Got an organic black pepper. We also got some super green tea by this, or not super green tea, I'm sorry, Yogi Green Tea Super Antioxidant. I like this brand. I get the stress tea from them as well. So when I saw this, I was like, let me go on ahead and try it out. You know, we had to get some wine. I'm not really a white wine fan, but this is, again, something that my husband got. So we got some Pinot Grigio, and we got some red wine. We got the red blend, and we got some Cabernet. I got an olive oil. Yeah, I like to use this for cooking mostly. We got some of these ginger shots. I really like these actually in the morning on an empty stomach. So I got 4 of these. Got some organic buttermilk biscuits just to make for like a easy breakfast one day. Got these hash browns that I really like. Frozen is really why I shop at Trader Joe's. So I got some of these mini veggie samosas. These are like really good snacks. Got some of these mini chicken tacos that I like to doctor up with my homemade guac and some salsa. Also like a little quick meal if I haven't cooked. Got some maple syrup. Some smoked chicken andouille sausage. I'm making red beans and rice and I was trying to find this and could not find it anywhere. We got some lamb loin chops. We're gonna make this in a little bit for lunch. Got some French vanilla ice cream. Their ice cream is really good. So I like to grab like a small one because me and my son will eat this. I got 2 containers of chicken drumsticks. I'm making smothered chicken tonight and I'm using drumsticks. Got some good old honey. And last but not least, got some spinach and artichoke dip. All right, you guys, so I'm about to put all that stuff away and wash my hands and then film a couple videos and cook. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. All right, you guys, so that's all I have for today. I hope that you enjoyed this random Sunday vlog. You know, I got a little bit of dinner cooked, I got some shopping done, and now I'm about to unwind and get ready for the week. So yes, if you enjoyed this video, please go on ahead and give me a big fat thumbs up. It really helps with the YouTube algorithm. If you have not already subscribed, please go on ahead and click that subscribe button below, and be sure to turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any of my future uploads. With that being said, you guys have an amazing day, and I'll see you next time.
If they don't salute you, I need a bag, size is super. They turned your back, it's like I never knew you. Leave that, leave that, leave that.